Assalamu alaikum viewers, I hope you all are well. In this video, I will tell you an introduction to generative AI. But before this, you have to like my video if you like and share it with your friends, and please most subscribe my channel for more informative video. So let's start. Here is key takeaways from this talk. Generative AI tools are great for productivity. They can be nifty shortcuts to dispose of low value tasks and or to jumpstart creativity. Generative AI tools should always be used and taught to be used with a critical mind because they are prone to mistake and hallucinations. Overview of generative AI. Lots of hype and doom by gloom around AI right now, which Washington is struggling to catch up on artificial intelligence. 20 minutes of help Pierce County family describes and all. I am a student who have no idea how much we are using ChatGPT, the end of coding as we know it. When you hear AI, think statistical pattern matching. Oracle describes AI this way: AI has become a catch-all term for applications that perform complex tasks that once required human input, such as communicating with customers online or playing chess. The term is often used interchangeably with machine learning, ML, and deep learning. The data is tokenized, made into chunks of words, punctuation mark, pixel, etc. During this process, remember this for later. Data, training data, testing data to build the system to check the core correctness of the system. AI has been with us for years, whether generative or not. Now AI can synthesize part or all of creative work. McKinsey defined generative AI as algorithm such as ChatGPT that can be used to create new content, including audio, code, images, text simulations, and videos. Recent breakthroughs in the field have the potential to drastically change the way we approach content creations. How generative AI works, admittedly oversimplified, the system generates textual images using its previously built model of the statistical distributions of tokens, that is, equal chunks of words, punctuations, marks, pixels, etc., created from its very large training dataset. How generative AI works, admittedly oversimplified. It might make mistakes or hallucinate based on the limitation of its process, but the output still might look like what you wanted. Tetchiang's analogy, unreliable photocopier or a blurry GPEG. How generative AI works, admittedly oversimplified. We can ask it question, but a very specific type of question known as prompts following this structure. Here's a fragment of text. Tell me how this fragment might continue on in this language or suggest a particular image. According to your model of the statistics of human language or human handled images, what words or pixels are likely to come next? How AI works, how generative AI works, admittedly oversimplified. The prompts are converted into tokens, then the system analyzes what is likely to come next based on the tokens in its own data set. It then generates a tokenized output, vector of probabilities from one token and tokens in, one token out. With each output, it keeps analyzing the probabilities to decide next tokens. She went to the store and Victor shopped. Here's the really cool part. Transformer, the T in GPT, know how to direct attention to specific parts of the input. She guide her selection of the output, such as verb, tenses, objects. She went to the store and shopped. And tokens in vectors of probability from one tokens, one token out. The system can give you different answer to the same inputs. She went to the store and clocked in. She went to the store and who danced? Hallucinations when the output does not seem to make sense are why it is important not to accept everything it outputs that face value. Example of publicly available generative AI tools: ChatGPT, OpenAI. Hello, this is Bing. How can I help? Hugging Face, Bard experiment. Using generative AI as an academic. Use DALL-E 2 to create DALL-E 2 to create images for course slide. Goal 1: quickly source visuals that add interest and reinforce content. Goal 2: demonstrate limits of AI output with limited inputs of prompts. Use ChatGPT to create first draft of biographic text. Goal 1: Cut the time spent on low value but necessary job tasks. Goal 2. Goof around with fellow academics on social media. Use Bing Chat to draft a grand proposal. Goal 1. Overcome analysis paralysis. Make yourself laugh in the process. Goal 2. Experiment with a sequence of prompts for sophisticated outputs. Assign students to pick by use a tool, then critique the output. Goal 1. Give permission and encouragement to play around with new tech. Goal 2. Mentor class members in how to think critically use of AI tools. My syllabus policy on use of AI and other creative tools. In the course, students are permitted to use tools such as Stable Diffusion, Dell, eChatGPT, and Bing Chat. In general, permitted use of such tools is consistent with permitted use of non-AI systems such as Grammarly, templating tools such as Canva or images, or text sourced from the internet or other files. No student may submit an assignment or work on an exam as their own that is entirely generated by means of an AI tool. If students use an AI tool or other created tool to generate, draft, create, or compose any portion of any assignment, they must credit the tool. Second, identify what part of work is from the AI tool and what is from themselves. And in the last, briefly summarize why they decided to use the tool. And include its output. Some actual or realistic risks of using generative AI. Violations of data privacy. Some students told me they do not feel comfortable giving up any data to such service, such as may required for creating an account. For these students, are creating an alternate assignment for slide 24 using a search engine. Violation of intellectual property. Check the terms of service. Will your inputs or prompts be used as training data? Violation of academic integrity. Do a spot check out for outputs using a search engine to see if any are wholly from another work. Analysis. Analyze submitted work using OpenAI, AI text classifier, or the multi-service GPT-0. Thank you guys for listening. I hope you will like this video. If you like, so please press the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel for more informative video. If you have any question about about this topic AI, so please ask me in the comment box. See you soon in the next video. Allah Hafiz.